All right, we'll take another quick look at 2 exercises you can do again with the loop band. So if you're limited on dumbbells or need to change your routine up a little bit, you can add these 2 in. Looked in a couple of other videos prior to this. We've looked at a couple other exercises you can do, several other exercises you can do with the band. Today, just going to be a straight up shoulder press and a tricep kickback. Shoulder press can be done 2 ways in case you've already got your band hooked up or looped up. I'll show you an option for that. But the first one is just simply, again, a shoulder press, and you'll stand on the band where you've got a good anchor point, and then you can stand on top the other side. So you're over one, under the other, and then from there you can just do a straight up shoulder press just like that. Now, if you've got a band that's already looped up or hooked up, you can go with that, and in that manner, if you're already in that position, you can go into a little shoulder press from that position. So you can shoulder press there as well. That way, if you're already hooked up, you can move right into the little tricep exercise, this little tricep kickback. I'm already hooked up, maybe from one of the other exercises we've already done, or with the shoulder press if you're going to do it in that manner. And then I just slip my hand through the band, so it's now anchored around my wrist so it won't slip out. That way you've got a good handle hold. You can do it by just holding. Sometimes that bothers your hand. So if you slide through, let it hook around the wrist, and I've got it. And then we just get bent over and we just do a little tricep kickback, just like that. Just like if you were doing a dumbbell kickback, it's just the band as a substitute. So that's 2 more exercises you can do without dumbbells. Again, the band's easy for you to throw in a bag, carry with you if you're going on vacation or something like that. So just try those out, see what you think. Look back at the videos they're always here on Facebook, over on YouTube. Check them out. Look in the newsletter, be there too.